Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to talk about a very nice indicator that you can use to grow your small account. Guys, if you're new here, remember to like and to subscribe to our channel so that it can help us to grow and to advance. So in today's video, I am going to show you a very nice indicator that you can use in your channel, in your account, to grow your small account. So there are a few rules. The first thing you must look for this indicator to work well is you must look for a market that is trending. You must use a trending market. A market that is like this market is trend. This is GBP JPY. So you can see that GBP JPY is been on an uptrending. It's been on an upward trend. So this is a very nice market that you can use with that strategy, with that indicator, to grow your small account. All right. And then another thing we are going to do is that we are going to risk 1% of our account, and we are going to target to make 3%. All right. So for example, if you risk $50, we are going to target to make $150. If you risk $100, then we are going to target to make $300. Another thing is that we are using a 4 hours time frame. Okay, so we are going to use a 4-hour time frame in this strategy so that it can help us. So the first thing we are going to do is that we are going to go here at indicators and strategy. We're going to click there, and then you are going to search on what I call buy signal and entry. All right, so you can see buy signal and entry point alpha by this guy called Vladimir. All right, so we are going to click on it, and then it's gonna appear on your screen like this. Okay, so we are going to come here to the settings. So let's change the color. Maybe let's use this orange. All right. Okay. All right. So and then let's click OK. So what is going to happen is this on this strategy. What is going to happen is anytime this orange things appears, then we are going to buy. All right. We are going to place a buy, a long position. Then what are we going to do? Remember, we are not 4-hour time frame. So at the close of the candle, we are going to place our buy there. We are going to open our buy position. Then we are going to put our stop loss just below here, and then we are going to target 3 times. What I mean is this. For example, here, let me use this one here. You can target more, but I think targeting 3 times is better. Remember, risk management is everything in forex. All right, so for example, like here, I'm going to take my long position, and at the close of the candle, I'm going to place it there, and then I'll put my stop loss just below the close of that. Then I'm going to target 3 times there. That is 3 times. So I'm risking 1% to make 3%, and you can see that it went all the way and hit our profit. All right. So this one here. So we saw this indicator here at the close of the candlestick. We place an a buy order. Then we targeted 3 times. So you can see that you can target more. For example, like this one. How many? Let's see how many. If you could have. Oh, sorry. If you could have just held on to it, then you could have made how many? Let's see. You could have made almost 9 times. So it's like you're risking 1% to make it is almost 10 times. Okay, but we want to stick to some rules. And then we are going to see how it's going to play out. So I'm going to record. I'm going to do a few of them. I'm going to place a few of them. Then we are going to see how it's going to play out, and we are going to see if this indicator is profitable, and if it can help us to grow our small account into a big account. So guys, let me also use this time to introduce our free Telegram channel and also our VIP. If you want to join our VIP, These are some of the results we had last month, and also some of the results we have had this month. So this was a very nice gold signal that we gave, I think, on our VIP or on our free telegram, I can't remember well, and it hit our take profit, and we made 1,500. Then there was also an Euro USD, and there was also this GBP CHF hit our full take profit. And then there was also this gold signal. This was actually a scalping signal that we gave, and it was very nice. Actually gave it on the free signal. This was also NAS 100. It was a very beautiful win. Then there was also this US 30 signal that we gave, and this was we made 3,100. And there's also this another US 30. We made that. Then also there's this Euro GBP we gave, I think, at the beginning of this month. We made this. Then also we have USD ZAR that hit full take profit. Then lastly we have odd USD. We made 464. So guys, feel free to join our free telegram group. The link is on the description below. And also, if you want to join our VIP, you can always find the link there. You can join VIP, very cheap, very affordable, and I'm sure we are going to win together. All right, let's go on. So guys, we are done it, and then let's see how the results were. So anytime this thing popped up, we bought and we bought and we bought. So let me change the color here so that we can be able to see it. Let's make this to be blue, right? So you can be able to see it. So you can see that here at the close of this candle here, at the close of this candle, we opened our buy, our long position. There we targeted three. So we were risking 1% to make 3%. So we can say that we won here. All right, great. So let's go to the next one. Here you can see that when it popped up, we opened. Our risk to reward ratio was 3. We put our stop loss just below here, and we targeted 3 times. So you can see that this was our second win. And then let's go here. We see another one here. Remember, I'm on the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, and then at the close of this candle, we opened here. We targeted 3 times, and you can see that this was also a beautiful win. Then here you can see there was another one. There was another one here. We opened, put our stop loss just below, and this one was also a beautiful win. Let me delete this. Then inside here, there's another one here. This one also was a beautiful win. There was a win here, and this one here, it was a loss. So we lost that one. Now remember, nothing is perfect, and anybody who is teaching you forex and telling you that you only make money, that person is lying to you, and the person is actually scamming you. There's nothing like you make money. You'll have and you'll make some losses, so you must make peace with that. So the one inside here was also 3. We won that, and then this one we lost. So we've lost 2 so far. And then let's go down, and then here also, here we lost 1 and we gained 1. So we lost 1 here, we lost this one, then we made a profit on this one. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's so I did only 10. I went to backtest like 10 of them to see how efficient this indicator is and how helpful it is. So how many did we win? We won 1. Let's see, we won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we won 7 and we lost 3. So remember, we are on a 4-hour daily 4-hour time frame. And remember, you do this on a market that is trending, a market that is on an upward trend, on the market, a market that is buying. So you must always check out on that. Okay, so let's go to the math. So we did 10. The number of trades we took were 10. All right. So we took 10 trades, and then how many trades did we win? We won 7 trades. And then how many trades did we lose? we lost 3 trades. So that means that our win rate was 70%. All right. So remember, let's assume that we are risking $100. Let's assume we are risking $100, and our reward is $300. All right. So this means that this is a 1%. You're risking 1%, and your reward is 3%. All right. So what does that mean? It means that we won 7 times, so it's going to be 7 times $300, which is going to be $2,100, and then we lost 3, which is going to be 3 times $100, which is going to be $300. So how much profit do we make? It's going to be this 2,100. Then we are going to subtract the 300. This was a profit we made. These were the wins, and then we lost $300, and then our overall profit made was $1,800. So you can see, so you must follow risk management. All right, guys, you must strictly follow your risk management if you want this indicator to work for you. And another thing is that you must be on a market that is trending, a market that is on an upward trend. Okay, so you can see that GBP JPY, if I zoom this, you can see that GBP JPY has been on an upward trend. And remember, this is a buy signal, it's a buy indicator. So the market must be trending so that you can be able to see the results that you want to see. So guys, remember to back test. Always back test. Whatever strategy you see on YouTube, whatever strategy you learn, always back test it. Test it on other pairs. You can try on gold, you can try on GBP USD. Just back test it, do it on demo before you put it on a real account. You must always back test it, no matter who is teaching, no matter which forex guru is teaching any strategy. You must always back test it on your demo account to see if it is profitable or not before you commit your money to it. So guys, I hope that you've learned something from this video, and I hope you're going to backtest this indicator in your demo account before you take it to live account. So that is what we had for you today. Remember to like our video, remember to subscribe, remember to share. So it is Eagle Eye FX, your mentors, signing out.